Hey fam, it's me, just Londa. Have you subscribed? Have you joined the fam? Bam! Join the madness, join the fun. It's me, just Londa, and I have a haul. I told you I participate in the VIB sale. I'm sorry, I am so behind, but I've been going through it. I'm moving. I've had procedures and surgeries and dealing with deaths, and everything has just been going haywire again for us. Can we get a win? All right. So, like I said, I did participate in the VIB sale. I'm going to go through this. This look is a look, and it will be coming up after the haul. Okay? Okay. You know what? I'm just going to start with lips because it's right here. So I did purchase this trio. You do get 3 full size, Fenty lips. I do have a review coming up shortly, so I do like them. I have my opinion on them. So you get the Fussy Heat Balm and Fenty Glow Heat. You get the Gloss Balm Cream in Cupcaken, and then you get Gloss Balm in Fuchsia Flex. So I do feel like they I have my opinions. All right, so just wait on it. Just wait on it. So I did purchase this, and since we have lips, I'm just gonna continue on with lips. I also picked up the Makeup by Mario Nude Moistureglow Plumping Lip Serum in the color Pink Glow. She looks like this. She does have a little tingling sensation going on. I like it. I like it. I like it. What else I got? Let's continue on with lips. Crapola. I'm not picking it up right now. I do also have the Hangover, Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm in the color Watermelon Kiss. Looks like this. She smells fantastic. I love the way she smells, and she tastes good. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. I did also purchase the Milk Makeup Future Fluid All Over Cream Concealer, and I do have the color 17W. Yeah. I have some thoughts. It'll be coming up next. But yeah, so I got this. To set this, I also purchased the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking Setting Powder in the color Kunafa. I do love this color. This color. You know what? I wonder if she can stand up against the Maybelline powder. That sounds like a battle. Sounds like a battle. So I got that. I also picked up a lot of Makeup by Mario stuff. I wouldn't say a lot, but more than I know about. I did pick up the Makeup by Mario Highlighter Soft Glow in the color Bronze. And it's actually here. So she's actually cute. Really subtle. Not like that gleaming highlighter. She's cute. She's a hoe vibe. How about that? I also picked up the Anastasia Rose Metal palette. Looks like this. I believe she is going to be a good daytime look for the fall and probably also into winter. And I have some swatches here, right here. But yeah, we talk about this coming up next. I'm telling you, we're getting there. We're getting there. I picked up the Glowish by Huda Beauty Blurring Balm. I have not tried this. And a sister can't even open it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so she comes with a little spatula that has like a little inset in there, so I guess it'll be able to scoop out, pull like this. I can't put how it smells in my head, like what it would, smell like. Oh, that's chill. Maybe I should have put this on today. You know what? I did put that on right in here. Now I will say I am dry because I am ashy. I can see that it seems like keep seal for it says on the top, keep seal for freshness. Okay. It seems like it has a little bit of hydration in there. I also feel like if you keep on, like I'm still rubbing it in, it could flake up. But you know what? It does dry down. So keep that in mind. Be careful. But I am going to try this. I like the fact that it has a scoop. But do I have to keep the box to be able to use the scoop? Because I'm going to lose the scoop. That's all I'm saying. I got 2 more items, I believe. Give me a second. Okay. So I have more than 2 more items. So y'all beat me to the punch. I'm always waiting at the last minute because I was trying to go to Atlanta to participate in the VIB haul, but something came up. I can't recall what came up, but something came up. I had a lot going on. My daughter's been ill, but glory to God, she's getting better. But y'all beat me to the punch because I wanted to get the 2 little trial ones, but I ended up just getting this one. So this is a Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, airbrush flawless setting spray. Party all night, stay all day, is what she claims. I wonder if that would happen. Like, you know what? She smells fresh. She took the powdery look off my face. Not bad. Yeah. She definitely took the powdery look off my face. So I do like that. She does smells fresh. It says primes and set for up to 16 hours. I'm not gonna wear this for 16 hours. It says no melting, no fading, no creasing. We'll see. Just not tonight. Picked up the Caffeine eye cream by the Inkey list. been hearing like a lot of good things. It says best for tired eyes. Now I will say, a sister just turned 35 again, and I partied. I partied a little harder than I expected. So I'm a tad bit tired, and the movers are coming in the morning, and it's 1:30 in the morning. But I did hear good things about this. Now, the one that I really, really like, and it's in my kit, but I need to dismantle my kit, is the one from, oh, okay, I can see that. Hold on. Okay, so I definitely smell that Huda, the Glowish Huda blurry gel. I definitely smell that. I do like the one from MAC. MAC is the one that I normally have for when I do my events and things like that, especially if I'm doing someone's makeup. That Caffeine's pop it right on out. I love that. So, but it says a street and it says day and night. Okay, Charlotte Tilbury, you did that because she looks nice, and I feel it drying down, and it's not like a stiff feel to it either. Cause you know how sometimes you'd be like, after you spray something on your face, sometimes, not all the time, especially setting sprays, or the reason why they're called setting sprays, like they have that holding spray, chemical in there. Keep that in mind. But I don't feel it, and I do still see that it looks nice. Doesn't look as, powdery as it did look before. Because it did. I'm not gonna lie. It did. It looked good, but it looked a bit powdery. And that took down the powdery and it set. And I do feel like it's setting. And I'm doing this because I'm just assuming that it is doing what it says it is. The last makeup thing that I got is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow mini kit with the brush, and I got this one in mini nudes. Now I got this one because I remember swatching this in when I went to South Carolina, and I didn't purchase it. I said I would wait, but I think this is going to be so cute. So I'll do like a little look with it once I move into my new home. But I think this is gonna be cute. She's so tiny. I think I need something like this for when I do like my little day travels and things like that. And little brush here. It's just a little blending brush. It feels like it's not. It feels like it's synthetic bristles, and I could be wrong. I can't see. Let's see. I can't really tell. I don't see anything about the brush at the glance. So, but yeah, I think this is really cute, and I definitely want to do a look with it because I did not purchase the Nude shadow palette, whichever one that is. I'm not quite sure. Can't recall off the top of my head, but I think this is cute. And the last thing that I bought was this. So I've been stalking this for months. Not this, perhaps, more of the bigger tube in the Valentino Born in Roma Floral Fantasy. That's the one that I really, really want to try and buy. when I can, because it's always out of stock. The bigger bottles is never out of stock, but the smaller bottle, the one that's $80, the one that's in my price range, the $80 one, that one, yeah, that one, that's in my price range. I can never get it. I can never get a hold of it. I was looking to see if I could find like the notes from it. All I know is that the coral has like a little fruity smell to it. That's all I know. I know nothing about the other ones. So I'm just going to spray and see if I like it. It's all right. I feel like this is like an older person smell. It's not my cup of tea. Let's go to the one that I know I like, the coral one. Because if I'm not mistaken, it has like a fruity smell to it. At least I'm hoping it does. I do love this package. It is quite fancy. Like I'm somebody. Oh yeah. I like that one. They're kind of mixing together, so don't mind me. But I do like how this one smells. I'm going to use the last one, which is the original Born in Roma. I'm going to put it on my other arm and see if I like it. My poor veins are all beat up. That's so funny. This one seems more of like a little bit of a masculinity smell. So yeah, this is all for my haul. Tell me what you got. Tell me if you like the things that I've got. If you tried them, let me know. If you have any of these Valentinos, let me know. Well, you know what? I've done swatches, so I can't really say too much like that. But she looks good. So that's spray. Alright. I don't know about the 16 hour bit, but from what it did, it looks nice. I like it. So let me know. Comment down below so we can talk and chat and all that good jazz. And you know what? Thanks for watching, rating, subscribing. All that good jazz. They make me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.